Hello, my crafty friends! How are you today? We're going to be using IKONART Stencil today. We're going to make a welcome block with the stencil, but I want to talk about the machine. This is it. This is just a light stand. I don't know if you can see it. It's a light on a thing. You get this in a kit, and then you get like your stencil film in a bag like this, and see it's black because you don't want the light to get to it because it's light sensitive. Hence the light to be able to develop the stencils. You have to be able to print on transparency film, so you have to have a printer. If you want more information on how it all works, you can always contact me. If you are interested in getting yourself a stencil maker, we have a code that you can actually use, and it gets you 15% off, which is pretty substantial. This is what we're gonna use. We're gonna use the welcome part of the stencil. Okay, so now I just have to cut out what I'm gonna use. You know what I have to do? I have to paint. I have to paint. We're gonna sand this with some brown paper, and then I'm gonna do another coat on this front. So I'm gonna sand this while it's still kind of drying some more.
Give it the sand the row.
You can see I did a little bit of the edges, just a little bit to give it just a little hint of, I don't know what. So now I'm gonna test this on my paint before I go putting down my stencil. I'm just gonna take like an edge of it here. I don't think I'm gonna fuzz it. So let's see, guys. I'm going to eyeball it, and then I will measure. And oh, this is gonna be bad because I kind of want to measure. It's fine if it's not perfect. It looks like even, it's just not. We're just gonna do it, guys. If it's really crooked, you can blame them.
Yeah, blame me.
Okay, so I just pushed this down really well, and we're gonna use the Bungalow 47. It's called Wood Beam. I'm gonna use just a little paintbrush. All right, so let's go ahead, and I'm gonna leave my sort of peeling it back. I'm gonna clean it up just a little bit. See how nice that looks? That looks pretty clean. Okay, so then what you do with these, it's really strange, guys. Now you lay it down, sticky side up, just like this, and then you put the back on here.
And it just helps keep it in shape.
Yes, and then you use a squeegee to get your extra water out. Ahaha, and you try not to kink it, like I just did. And then you just flip it over and let it dry. And then you take your apron and you dry off your space like that. We're saving the paper towel. We're saving
the trees.
The trees. Okay, so now, let's make sure this is dry, and then we'll stick on. Oh, I'm so excited. And I thought we would do this, but I think to give it a little something extra, I think we're gonna put the raffia. Oh. So we're just gonna tie a bow. So we're almost done. I just have to take off this little
sticker.
Okay, what do you guys think?
Yes.
Isn't it adorable? Now look, guys. Look.
Oh, they match.
Look at how cute those are. So anyways, you all have a blessed one. Thanks again for watching.